Today I'm going to introduce you to our new extended range antenna kit from Triangl that has been designed specifically to work with the Emlid Reach RS RTK GNSS receivers. The Emlid receivers ship with a 0.1 watt antenna as part of the purchase of your RTK GNSS receivers, and the manufacturers claim up to 8 kilometres line of sight range with that radio. There are times, however, that we've found in complex environments such as heavily wooded areas, such as the tropical forest where we work, or complex topographic environments, where we need just a little bit more oomph from our radios. With a traditional radio, you might hook up a UHF radio modem and broadcast your correction. However, we've come up with a lower cost solution for our Emlid customers, and effectively it's a pair of extended range antennas. So in the box for the extended range kit, you get two high gain 6 decibel omnidirectional antennas, and you also get two 50 centimetre cables to support the connection of those antennas to the recessed LoRa port inside the Emlid device. The cables are especially designed to have a long connector to make it very simple to screw that onto that recessed port and allow you to improve your performance. The main benefits that we see are a reduced age of correction and an increased stability in the fix. This can be really beneficial when you're working in complex environments, as I said. Beyond the two 50 centimetre cables that come with the receivers, with the antennas, we also have an optional 5 metre antenna so that you can elevate your base antenna height right up to improve your radio propagation. And early tests on that are showing great success. In practice, most of our testing to date has been completed using just the 50 centimetre cable, and with the prototypes that we've been using, I've been working out in the field using almost exclusively just an antenna on the base. So I tend not to worry about putting the antenna on the rover as well. Just set up the antenna for the base. Doesn't have to be particularly high, and just that increase in power. So we're moving from about 0.1 of a watt to effectively about 0.396 of a watt, allows a much greater performance between the base and the rover, and a smoother user experience. It's low cost. It's available from mapgear.com.au. So head there if you'd like more information on product specifications and pricing. Thanks for joining us today.